All right, the next thing we want to talk about now is the inquiry. Okay, inquiry. Your inquiry helps us to inquire for your distance, your area, your list, and the point, or locate specific point. All right. Peradventure you don't have this inquiry or your drawing space. All you need to do is to come right click here, come to your A card, check inquiry. So if I uncheck it now, can you see it's no longer here? But if I come again and check, it has come to this place now. So let's go. Inquiry, the first thing is to inquire for your distance between 2 points. So I click on my distance, click on point 1, click on point 2. Can you see now my distance has been brought out? All right, look at my distance here. The same thing apply, maybe distance from here to here. Here's my distance from that point to the other point. All right, so the next thing you should know is the area. If you want to get the area of your plan, so you just check here, then you click on the 4 points. If it is 5 points, click on 5 points. If it is 6 points, click on 6 points. Here I have 4 points here, point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, then enter. All right, so my area here is 1818.967 square meter. All right, it's always in square meter according to how we've set, according to the settings that we did in our unit. All right, okay, I think some things have shifted here, so let me just reset it again. Meter. Okay, that's 3 now. 3. This is degree, minute, and second clockwise direction. Not. All right, so it's always in square meter. So I have this in square meter, and I have the perimeter also of the plot. So the next thing is my list. What is list? List just help me to get the distance, and bearing of particular line. All right, for instance, this line, if I click on this line, I click on my list, it will give me the distance and what the bearing. So this is the bearing, this is the distance, all right, of this very particular line. So the same thing apply here. Click here, I list it to give me the distance and the bearing. Okay, so that is the function of my list. And lastly, my locate point help me to know the SY of different or specific points. All right, if I click on locate point of this, I'll get my S and Y value. All right, I'm trying to figure it out. Okay, this is not a proper drawing. Let's get something better. These are just assumed lists. Okay, just note that these are assume what's it called now, assume line. So if we are in a proper setting, it's going to give me my S and my Y coordinates. All right, so let's use this for example. I don't want to reband this clip. All right, so it will give me my S and my Y coordinate. When we are doing the plotting proper, you will still see all of this. So that is what you should know for now for the inquiry lesson. So the next class will be plotting with distance and bearing. All right, thank you.